Just 2 days after NTV exposed foreign Chinese nationals operating an illegal gold dredging venture on River Yala, the expose protected plunder that seems to have ignited political pressure. Now, Kakamega Senator Boni Khalwale has issued a 7-day ultimatum to the miners to leave the river, warning that residents will intervene if the state does not. NTV's Ashley Atieno with that report.
I want to tell the PS in charge of security, Raymond Omolo, to instruct assistant chiefs and chiefs to stop protecting those foreigners, because, Mr. Speaker, at the end of 7 days from today, those foreigners will not be allowed to be in that river. Not by the state, but by us, because the law says those foreigners cannot be admitted.
A 7-day ultimatum. That is the warning from Kakamega Senator Boni Khalwale to Chinese nationals allegedly operating an illegal gold dredging venture on River Yala, thrusting NTV's protected plunder investigation to the center of debate in the Senate just 2 days after it aired. What began as a debate on River Yala soon evolved into a wider conversation on illegal mining, environmental destruction, and what senators described as persistent failures by government agencies to protect the country's natural resources.
My county, West Pokot, right now has mushrooming of places with gold, and so there is a lot of illegal mining going on, and there is a lot of diversion of flowing of rivers or flowing of water to areas that are routinely known to be along the river.
But attention quickly shifted from the illegal miners to the institutions responsible for regulating the sector.
It is becoming a problem. Mr. Speaker, the River Yala must be protected, and we hope the Ministry of Mining, where CS Hassan Joho, I expected him to appear today, but I'm told unfortunately he didn't make it, Mr. Speaker, but he should appear and share to the country what is it really happening with the dredging in River Yala.
Kama hawa watu hawana vibali vya kuchimba madini na kufanya mambo haya katika mito na maziwa yetu, lazima wakamatwe, Mheshimiwa Spika. Isiwe kana kwamba wanatoka nchi tajiri na sisi japo kwao tunajikakamua kuinua uchumi wetu, sasa wanakuja tu kuvuna kile ambacho wajapanda.
The Senate debate follows NTV's protected plunder investigation, which documented Chinese nationals allegedly dredging for gold on River Yala without the required mining, environmental and water resource approvals, while raising concerns over alleged mercury use, river pollution, and the destruction of an ecosystem that supports thousands of livelihoods. Before the expose aired, Mining Principal Secretary Harry Kimtai had assured NTV that action will be taken against those behind the operation.
We'll send our teams to go and verify, and if possible, rearrest them if they are still doing the trenching. And that will lead to their bond being cancelled, and they will be put in pending the outcome of the case.
But when we returned to River Yala 22 days after that assurance, the dredger was still in operation. Our cameras once again captured the foreign nationals working on the river, with the operation continuing despite earlier arrests, court proceedings, and government promises of enforcement. Now, what began as an investigation in River Yala has become a matter before the Senate, with lawmakers demanding answers from the Ministry of Mining, NEMA, and security agencies. Ashley Atieno, NTV.